want to bring ambulance come. You want to go? You want to go? I want to call hospital now. I call. You wait. I call hospital now. Wait. No, you need a very problem. You wait. I call the police now. Hey, I call the police.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. We are going to do a prank for our brother day after. So almost it's late time. I think this time he is sleeping. So we decided to do a prank with that guy. This guy, he is my friend, and also his name.
Yeah, Dr. Fu, DF.
And also
This Nick, and I'm Nick.
they are from Malaysia. They are part of pranks. So can you tell something about?
So selamat malam kepada kawan-kawan dan juga orang ramai. So hari ini saya nak prank kepada kawan saya yang bernama Lee Kato, salah seorang YouTubers terkenal negara mereka. So hari ini saya akan cuba buat prank kepada beliau. Kita pun tak tahu prank apa kita nak buat. So sekejap lagi kita akan tengok video kita. So mungkin dia tengah duduk di atas dengan tidur ke apa, kita tak tahu. So kita akan pergi dengan seterusnya.
And also, Mr. Nicky can speak little Arabic. Can you say something? No worries. Now we are going to Liat's home. Then we'll do a prank. So already did a camera from the home.
Yeah.
So let's go, guys. And waxaan sameynaa prank aan waxaan sameynaa Liato. Argan waa rag saaxiibadeyda prankiga ka qayb qaadanayaan. Prankigan in la sameeyo galabta qorsheeda la dejiyay. Dad badan oo asxaab ka qayb qaateen. oo ugu horeeyay Najib Alfo isku guri degan yihiin. Haddana waxa waa guriga jooga laftirkiisa oo camera markaa meesha soo gelinaya xaaladda uu la socday. marka waxa waaye wax walba oo dhaco inuu isku guriga ka soo bixina ku heshiinay. Haddii xataa Liat xoog lagu wadaa inuu soo bixin. labadan nin waxay matali doonaan dad dhaqaatiir ah maadaama waqti coronavirus lagu jiro. So ayagoo xisadi doonaan dad dhaqaatiir oo baarayo. haddaba asal socon prankiga inaan iga soo hordhaco marba aninkana waa arki doontiin nabadiyo.
Hey, I'm coming. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, now I want to come. I want to test the test. You know the test COVID, because I have complained because this area, you know, the COVID-19 is very difficult now in Malaysia. So you are from where actually? Africa?
Yeah.
Africa or?
Yeah, I'm Somali.
Can I check you? How many people of you in your room? Your house?
Only
Can I check you?
my friend is leaving.
Oh, so ini is it you go anywhere, any place, go eat anywhere from house? No. Can I check you? Because me and my pembantu.
Because you ada coronavirus.
Okay, but we check. Okay. Check your hands. And first, one distance. Check one distance first. You don't use that. Check your chest. No. Okay, check first. Okay, after use your hand. Because I come from the hospital, because I have the, you know, the cold, because this condo have the virus.
Yeah.
So I come, I want to check you. Can I? Okay.
Oh, 39.
39, very problem. So
You very problem, brother.
You very problem. So I have to bring to the hospital again.
Hospital.
Yeah.
I'm going.
Yeah.
No.
I just bring. I'm a doctor. I know anything. No, I'm not doctor.
Don't touch me.
I know you know.
Don't touch
Saya bukan merompak you.
I'm good.
I'm not rompak you.
No.
Can you please up? No, please up. Yeah, come brother. Hey, brother. Come stay here.
No, I'm good, bro. No.
39, you know 39.
Show
You know
me.
this 39. I just 39. One more.
1 meter.
39. You see, brother?
39.
39, brother.
Najib, help me, please.
You don't
Don't touch touch me, please. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Police come. No, no, I want to
Go,
bring you.
go, 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 go.
Yes, no.
Go, my God.
Wait, brother. No, why you cry? Why you cry? No, why you cry? No, you not good. No, wait, I call hospital now. Wait, let's give him a look. Wait, I call, bring ambulance down. You want to go? You want to go? I want to call hospital now. I call. You wait. I call hospital now. Wait. Wait, brother. I call you. Wait, I call hospital now. Wait. Please. Okay, I call now. Wait, Chill. Halo?
Ini corona.
Kena bawa ada Afrika ni. I want to bring Africa people because you don't want to go to the hospital. The police. Okay, yeah? No.
I know that. Najib, the game.
Come. Okay, relax. I say relax.
Come.
Ayo. I say relax. Oh, boleh problem masalah ni. Masalah ni. Hah?
Kita bawa ke hospital juga paksa. Stay home, bro. Stay home.
I don't do anything. I don't do anything. Come. Let's go.
No, stay home, bro. Don't touch me.
Relax. No. Relax. I feel that. Relax. Any problem you have?
Wait, one more.
Any problem? You have any problem? You need a very problem. I call the police now. Hey, I call the police. Hey, come. No. I call the police. No. Go. Please. No. Go. Please. Ni. I call the police. No. Ikat tangan dia. Ikat tangan dia. Ikat tangan dia. Wait, no. You relax. Jangan lupa. Relax. No, relax. Ayo. No. Come. You don't, huh? I don't. No. Come. No. You relax, huh? Hey,
What happened?
sorry, brother. No. Sorry. You his friend?
No, I'm his brother.
Okay, now I'm from hospital. I'm Dr. Fu. He's make my I come here. I want to check. You see? I want to check the COVID-19. No, you like. I want to check the COVID-19 because if I check the 39. So there is a problem.
Can I see your ID if you are a doctor?
Yes, of course. Can you see?
But
So I have to check because we have complaint. We have complaint in this condo. You know, have complaint in the condo. See? So I come, I check your brother 39. So can I check you? Can I check you?
Okay.
Can I check you? Can you open? I check you because I afraid this girlfriend. Are you okay? Itu sanitizer. Check. So now you like what's your name? Liman. Okay, Liman. Liman. Can you bring? You know, he make the problem. You know, he want to fight with my brother.
No. Call me my brother. Call me.
No. If you no come, I do it.
Firi. Ada syariah yang lain maka sekarang anak
I speak to you nicely. I speak to you nicely. So just bring. Just follow. Just follow really. Bring.
Take him.
Brother, come. Cepatlah.
waxaa la sameynaa baraako waay waxaa baraanka
You know, please stay safe. You know, please stay safe. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah,
This COVID very problem.
I'm sorry, brother.
Sorry.
dijual foto ko ga pernah terletak di sini
Yeah. Because this is the movie also cannot.
أنا بطبق وكان أحسن ولا كان أحسن أي
Never mind. Sorry, Sorry, my brother. Sorry. Okay. Aduh.
gimana? Oh tenang kamera, ada kata air bukan أحسن dulu.
نوعنا نفس حواس وحنا ولود ديلا سام برك وسنا فرانو ده دايجن استنى لو انا طبعا انت كسوق
Kena prank. Padam muka.
Okay, my brother. Okay ya.
Ini bagus.
Milan, coba
Celebrity from Somalia.
Wah, banget aku kuburan.
تعبين والله تعبين استحيين You uncle my police
Ya,
No,
just prank only. Yang famous one, just prank.
oh ya famous لا تصدق حساب aku diri tengah brands mesin
Ada waktu kalau tahu hal kerana malah itu kalau busy as kita mana.
بقولي مصر ده محمد فرحان لك بلن حكا هذا أنا إن جم انتصر لك قدرة والله
Okay, lihat. Very nice. Huh? Very good.
Wallah, I like the way you acting, bro.
Ya. Thank you. So terima kasih kepada siapa yang melihat video kami. So minta tolong subscribe di F Motai channel juga ni.
Tekan loceng.
Ya, tekan loceng. Like, komen. So lepas ni kita akan pergi seterusnya video kita. Komedi ada, fight ada, mungkin besok ada video vlog kita bersama dengan kita punya Lee Kato. Famous Somalia. So bye bye.
أصحابته واحدة مني وكل مرة مرتين.
Okay.
إنت هتفصل.
خلنا عادي هنا خبر ساعات والله إلا ما نبغى نقول برو
You good, huh? You good,
Oke,
huh?
ada mana أصحابته ما سنتي?
You temperature only 35 only. Just prank. 39 I tell you.
Oh, jadi 35 فاهم المفروض يروح للشيء قاعد ينام بالك جاري.
والله ما بحلم والله هذيك السكة أبو نايو بود لا
Wah, خصوص.
bukan أنت أبو برتين لك فرحان لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول
رجع هرترك أسكر إيوه كودي.
والله
داتو فؤاد.
Ya, hi.
waxaa waaye nin youtube channel hadda samaysanayo maadaama uu maqlay inay youtube famous tahay ayadoo lasoo sheekaysana wuxuu dhahay please ninkaas ii geey annagana qorshe waxaa keen in baraanki lagugu sameeyo
سخد إحنا برامج وصل فكرة إنه ولا ما
okay dhammaan waa mahadsantiin asxaabta kulanti dambe waxay sale thank you